Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you as well as show you how you can delete your history in the TikTok app. Please don't forget to make sure to put your like before you start watching this video and also subscribe to the channel and write your comments. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, dear friends, please open the TikTok app on your device. Now go to your profile. And if you have a story, you will see around your profile picture is this blue ribbon like this. You can click on your history. And now to delete it, if perhaps you don't like it, click on the bottom right 3 dots, and at the bottom you'll see a gray menu, from which click the delete option. Next, confirm your actions. This way, your story that you added earlier will be instantly deleted, and you can just add it again if needed. That's how very easy and fast you can, friends, delete a story in the TikTok app. I really hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put your likes. Take care, friends.